Hey guys, what's up? My name is Anna and today I'm here recording a really quick video just to talk about Apple Keto Gummies before you guys go ahead and purchase this product, right? So stay with me until the end of this video, please, because I also have some really important alerts. So just pay close attention to what I have to tell you, okay? So the first thing is be really careful with the website you're going to buy from, because today Apple Keto Gummies is only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left a link to the official website down below in the description of this video, so if you use that link, the latest offer that's available at that moment will automatically get activated, so please don't miss that. Also be careful with people here in YouTube saying they used when they actually didn't use the product, okay? That's very common, and it's just a warning. So what is Apple Keto Gummies? Let me really simplify this for you guys, alright? So if you want to lose weight in a healthy manner, without damaging your health, without going to the gym like crazy, without doing crazy diets, without going to nutritionists all the time, then that's where Apple Keto Gummies comes. So Apple Keto Gummies is a dietary supplement that is completely natural. It's made up of only natural ingredients that is here to help your body lose weight in a healthy manner, and it will do just that because it's going to help your body speed up its metabolic process, and that's when our body actually loses weight. So you have to also keep in mind something really important you need to know as well, is that you have to be realistic about your treatment, because Apple Keto Gummies is no magical superpower product. I can say that it will help you accelerate your metabolism, and each metabolism works in a different and unique way. So it may be that you lose a lot of weight in 1, 2, or 3 months. Many people claim to have lost more weight after 3 to 6 months, so you will have to keep in mind that it always will depend on how your organism will react. So if someone tells you that you will lose like 10 pounds in 1 week, that is just impossible, okay? You will have to test the product and see how your metabolism will react to the ingredients that are inside Apple Keto Gummies. So be realistic about your treatment. That's something important and sincere I have to tell you. Now the question is, what is the best way to take Apple Keto Gummies? The answer is, every bottle consists of 60 gummies made with the finest quality ingredients. So once you start taking Apple Keto Gummies, all you need to do is just take 2 gummies every day, and then I also suggest you take it in the morning, because it's going to give you energy and disposition throughout the whole day as well, alright? So another question is, what are the side effects? So guys, this supplement has no side effects, which I think is really good news. It contains only natural ingredients, eliminating the risk of allergy, side effects, and any other negative consequences of using the gummies. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Apple Keto Gummies, and you can have results as well. If you want to go to give Apple Keto Gummies a test, you can do just that. You can test Apple Keto Gummies for 60 days, and for any reasons, if you don't want to use the product anymore, if you don't like it, whatever your reason may be, you can simply ask for a refund, and their support team will give you 100% of your money back. So pretty much I would say you have nothing to lose, guys. You just have to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you actually get a little frustrated. And its results largely depend on the individual characteristics of the body, okay? So I really hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, please let your comment down below and I would be really glad to help.